What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guys, remember the giveaway on the trucks is live. You can take one of the trucks or $30,000 cash, guys, so don't miss out. The winner of the truck will pick either the blue one or the white one plus $5,000 in cash, and all you have to do to get entered is pick up some proprietary gear. It doesn't matter what you buy from the website, it all gives you entries. Every $10 gives you 20 entries to win the truck or the 30K cash. Don't miss out, guys. Get your entries today. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure to drop a comment, guys. Ahí estamos. Enjoy it.
Me voy. Mira, ya no la quiere cortar ya. ¿Verdad?
Guys, so we got my homie Randall right here. He owns a motorcycle shop over here in Conroe, Texas, down the street from where we're at. And he's got this truck for sale. It's pretty clean. It could be like a nice off-road vehicle we could all fit in. Not just a single cab, 2 seat. We could go do some jumps, you can flip it. Gas.
There's a V10.
Damn.
You know any?
Did it turn on at all or no?
Oh yeah, it drives great. It's actually the most dependable vehicle I got. GPS, built-in cameras, 4-wheel drive works, everything perfect. Rear seat comes out.
Yo sé, no.
Está bien buena esta como para mandar a México. Está bien perrona, hasta me daría qué cosa destruirla, güey.
Está bien perra.
Randall.
Dale, métele machete y unos headers, mira. Imagínate cómo se va a ir con headers esto.
Damn.
Okay, let me get my tag.
Let's go to the shop. We can put everything in the shop.
I can stick so I keep it here. That's weird. It's never leak. It's not problem.
Tronco, denle tronco. Sí, está bien perra, güey. Mira.
Ojalá.
Está chida, güey. Me gusta que todos cabemos bien chingón.
Eso sí.
Potecito, vale.
Esto vale porque nos vamos a voltear.
La chingada por la ventana, entonces.
Ya saben, les voy a decir ahorita. Si nos volteamos, no saquen las manos.
Agárrate acá, aire.
Abrácese solo.
Agárrate los cuernos, ya, agárrate los cuernos.
¿Qué pasó? Esto.
Ketchup, mira la que te hubieras comprado, güey.
Sí, güey, no mames.
¿Cómo ven la Batmobile?
Estamos malona, güey. Para el off-road use. ¿Ya lo compró? La compré yo, nos va a llevar a...
Ese pinche herrero. Si fuera bien, ya la estuviera cortando.
Ahí no me está legal.
¡Vámonos!
Hola, mira.
¿Qué cacho? ¿Despacio?
Ay, cabrón. ¿Qué chocale esto para grabar reels o no?
Esta sí, güey. Oye, sí es cierto, güey.
Ahí te vas atrás grabando.
Esta está perra. Como dijo, llévala, cortas.
Es lo que le digo.
Está bien enterita,
Mira.
güey. Está bien enterita.
Sí es gas, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Vamos a echarle. Esa truca nunca he visto de gas del bueno. Se la vamos a llenar al viejo. Ah, no, quién sabe de traer un pinche tanque. Lo vamos a echar 50 bolas por prestárnosla.
¿Qué tanquesote
Por
tendrá?
prestárnosla, guys. Ustedes comenten, ¿la compramos o no? La Batmobile, imagínate con un turboburros para...
¡Pum!
JR, ¿qué? ¡Pum! Nos chocamos a la verga. Mira, ¿qué hecho?
Para los reels, güey.
Aquí te vas.
Just put a little locks on this side.
Te amarramos un sitio de aquel.
We try it out.
¿Tú nunca en algo?
Te lo metemos mejor. y le aprietas así para que no te vayas a caer.
Oh, it's the whole thing. I thought you had like a...
¡Bájese ya!
No se quiere...
¡Bájese, hombre!
No, hombre, usted gana el asiento de frente por edad.
Por edad.
Este no se abre nomás este sí, güey.
Yeah, no. This is the whole thing. Like the Suburban, right? That's what I was thinking for now.
Mira, güey. Está con madre.
Está con madre.
Sí, que sí. Es algo diferente. Bien diferente.
We're gonna take it off road and destroy it.
No, don't do that. Why? I'll give you my dog. I'll take that.
Ya está agarrando compliments.
Mira,
Mi carro dicen que está bonito.
Ya está agarrando compliments.
ya de volada.
Hey, ya está agarrando compliments. Yo nuevo subscriber.
Estamos malona. ¿Qué opina usted, ya?
No voy a fiar.
Está buena, está buena.
Está buena, ¿verdad?
Ya.
Se me hace que nos vamos con la lancha hoy.
La pinche lancha no sirve, bozo.
Se me hace que no nos vamos con la lancha hoy.
Se cancela.
Está con madre, güey.
¿No tienes un tirón, güey?
Está con madre.
Cinturón, güey. A ver, amárrate tú. Que si nos salimos los dos.
¡A la verga!
Págale, sí.
Ya estoy, dale, para que no se vea tan feo.
Ay, cabrón.
¡Ahí vienen los zombies!
No, 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 here. A ver.
Trae buena suspensión, güey.
A verga. Oh shit. Oh shit.
The moment of truth.
¿Y si está hondo, güey?
No, espérate, a ver si se atora. Primero dale si se atora.
Vete a la vera si se atora no lo vamos a sacar.
¿Me forma por si no?
No, ni forma por ti. Pero no tiene buena.
Y esta para traerla en el rancho. Esta mamalona.
¡Ay! ¡Oh, no, güey! ¡Cuidado con el árbol!
¿Cómo ve, Yera?
¿Está buena?
Esta para el rancho ya está con madre.
Para el rancho. ¿Quién chica le va a quedar en el rancho y gato chico de gas, hombre?
Ah, pero mire.
Ay, güey. Pero sí se oye bien la güey. Está con madre, ¿verdad, güey?
Así está con madre.
Es bien agarrado, Daniel.
No sé, no tengo.
¡Agárrate, güey! ¡Se va a salir!
Mira, lo voy a agarrar así.
¿Qué pasó, güey? Es que trae llanta, güey. Trae llanta, pues ese pedo.
¿Qué te rebotó de arriba?
Yo me voy a cambiar de cinturón, la verga, ya está en medio, estamos...
Ey, pero no se siente feo, güey. La suspensión
No.
está perra, güey,
¿Ya?
Ya.
De volada, si no fuimos brinque, brinque.
No le hace mucho, miren, señor.
Ay, ay, ay. Donitas, donitas.
No, mames, esta madre se da vuelta, la verga.
¿Hacemos donas, viejo?
No, no, que no puedo.
¡No! ¡Verga! ¡No! ¡No! ¡Sí, sí, sí! ¡Dale, dale, dale!
No puedes.
Tenemos que testearla antes de comprarla.
No trae power.
No, madre, le vas a pegar al único poste que hay, la verga.
Lo sentiste la pinche.
¿Se está desahogando?
Está saliendo las telarañas. Está jalando mejor.
Y necesitamos que pasar con fuerza.
¡Qué putazote se ve acá arriba, qué chévere!
Ya venía para acá.
Aquí pegué a la verga. Andaba haciendo pinche sunroof.
Es como que sí jalo más, güey. Le falta uso.
¡Ay, la verga!
Madre.
Este lado se sintió el vergazo.
Putazote, güey.
Sentí que me
Ya
estaba
se
haciendo los huesos de
desalineó
la
la
espalda.
verga.
la chingada.
¿Sí?
Sí. ¿Qué?
Ya no está alineada, mira.
Valió.
Llegas y le dices, ¿sabes que también ocupan la nutrición?
Ni que te diga, señor, I never seen my truck like this.
Hey, he said we can test it. We tested it. Did we like it? I don't know. We still have to come back and check it out.
Dale, dale, dale.
Dale otra vez. I think it's
Hey, remember guys, this truck is for sale. Nobody wants to buy an off-road machine. Hit on my boy Randall. Right now we're gonna take it back to him because we got no use for it.
No me la subimos al freeway.
It snapped and it took us off road.
Y que te digan, where's the mud come from? That's how we took it.
We took it. You guys a little rough.
¿Ya se quebró ya?
No sé, mira que es la control arm, la que corre de frame a frame.
Oh, a lo mejor es un stability bar.
A la medio le da una puta guerra fea.
Hay que ponérsela, hay que ponérsela. No hay que sí, no, hay que ponérsela.
Ya, güey, hubiera comprado esta.
Está bien enterita, güey.
Alright guys. So we're gonna go ahead and fix the tire for Mr. Randall. That way he has no more issues with the truck, but I think somebody should buy it. Well, the owner of the truck is here. Hey, how's it going?
It's going, man. How you doing?
So we took it on a little test drive, but it's a little rough. If you wanna come check it out.
Oh, what?
We took it on a little test drive and I noticed the paint's a little, you know, a little, you can see a little bit.
It is rough now. Yeah, of course it's rough.
And the air is a little, you know.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah.
He was making like a noise.
It was
Something
like-
broken.
Yeah, look, if you check down here, it's got like a broken axle.
Axle?
Yeah, I don't know how that happened.
Oh!
Look at that thing, that bar.
That wasn't broken.
You sure?
Oh, I'm totally sure.
I mean, we just drove it from your shop to here.
No, you didn't.
How did it get like this though? All this, the third.
I don't know, man. I don't know. It was a little cleaner than that when I got it. I think the price just went up. You broke it. You made it dirty.
We had to give it a test drive.
After you did. You dang sure did.
We
man.
took that motherfucker off road.
Oh my
I
god.
said, God damn, I'm gonna have to buy it now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He was right now, he was rough.
I'm glad you got video. I need a copy of that video.
We were gonna pull up to your shop and see your reaction, but you
I'm
pulled
glad-
up here.
Yeah, I'm glad I came, man.
Do you have any employees over there or no?
Yeah.
You should go and then we pull up and be like, hey, these motherfuckers took the truck and they don't want it no more. You know what I'm saying? Now we are I am gonna buy it. It's good. We fucking broke it.
I've never had a problem with it
Uh-huh.
until now.
You never took it off road or nothing?
I'm
Yeah.
67 years old, dude. I'm raising a 5-year-old kid.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the only off-road we did is riding around the neighborhood with him in it. Yeah.
Yeah, we took it back here. I said, man, let's just test drive it. Once we got there, I couldn't let off the gas and I was going through puddles and
man,
shit.
yeah.
I said, man, let me call this guy, see how much it'll take for it, because now I gotta buy it. I can't give it back to him like this.
Yeah, it's got. If you broke that, I'm surprised because
That's some pretty heavy duty shit, huh?
it is. It's rough country.
Yeah.
And you put it on some really rough country.
That rough country, they take the rough country. Guys, so we were just pranking with Carl here. I mean, we were just gonna take it over there, but I mean, he came over here, so it's all good. It's gonna be a good off-road machine.
This is my buddy here. I knew he wouldn't do me that way.
Nah.
I know he wouldn't.
But man, whenever you want to borrow to take it off-road, let us know. It's gonna
I
be
will.
here.
After you fix it, I'm
Oh, yeah.
scared of it right now. After it gets fixed,
Yeah.
I don't want to die.
I got your cash for you, Mr. Kraft.
Okay, that'll work.
There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and pay you whatever what you were asking for it. Since, you know you're going through some stuff right now, and
Yeah, I appreciate it.
that'll help you out. You know what I'm saying?
You know where it's going.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And whenever you have a chance, just bring us the title.
Okay, I'll bring
Yeah.
it. Thank you.
I'll
for
take
it.
your plates off so you don't have no trouble with it.
Okay.
And I'll put one other plate one on it. So
All right,
you can
that's
go
cool.
and
Cool, man.
shatter the.
Awesome, dude. Well, good deal, guys.
Yes, sir. Guys, Mr. Carl, what do you do for at your shop, Mr. Carl?
I own a Cut and Shoot Customs trike shop. We build custom bikes, but we do a lot of 3-wheelers. Those have gotten real popular.
So if anybody has a bike, a chopper, or a 3-wheeler that want to get built, they can always come to you.
Yeah, we've been doing it for almost 20 years. That's all we do.
So on Instagram, you got an Instagram or no?
No Instagram. We're on Facebook and we're on YouTube. Yeah,
YouTube. Oh, you guys got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we don't use it much.
Damn it,
I
but
got like 2 videos.
Ah, okay.
I'm close to you though, man.
So
Like-
guys, whoever wants to get a bike built or whatever, hit up Mr. Carl.
That's right.
And he's right here, right close to our shop, right here in Conroe. If anybody, how can they contact you? Just through Facebook?
Facebook, it's Cut and Shoot Customs Trike Shop, 1414 South Fraser, Suite 110. We're just about a block north of Brady's shop on Fraser.
Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, hit him up if you guys need any type of bike work, he's the man to do it.
Thank you. Or you can call me at 346-800-7946.
346-800-7946.
If you can't find a place, just listen for drag cars on the street burning up the roads. And you can find Freddie's place and then one block.
Well, there you go, Mr. Carlos. Thank you again.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for bringing us this amazing machine, and we're gonna definitely take care of it.
Okay.
We're gonna put it to you.
Good deal. Good deal. Thanks, man. Thank you.
Damn it, boy, guys. So we were supposed to go, but he came over here. It's an amazing machine. You guys seen it. We're gonna go take it right now, get it cleaned up. It'll be good. It'll be good. We're gonna put it back. We're gonna have to fix that issue, ¿vale? De la barra esa.
Yeah, I think we need to order the new one.
From
Rough Country.
Rough Country. Also, we need new spark plugs, new oil. Get it 100%. Ya llegó el señor.
¿Qué dijo?
No, dijo.
¿Le dijeron o no?
Sí, dijo como, verga, si no te lo di. Dije, the paint's a little, bro. Guys, so we got ourselves a badass Mamalona. Everybody fits in there. We're gonna go fishing, camping, and everything in this truck. And then we're gonna do some more off-roading. But now, right now, we're gonna go clean it up, make it look nice again so we can park it up in the front. And it's an amazing machine, guys. Drop a comment what you guys wanna see us do with this truck. But the good thing is that everybody fits in there and we can all just, instead of taking 4 trucks like we usually do everywhere we go. It's gonna be a durability test, see how much potential these trucks have. We already tested it and it held up really good. We gotta fix the alignment a little bit, but other than that, 100.
See, I told you I should have stayed.